Hello everyone, and welcome to ESSBENMARK Tech channel. Today we are going to learn about Windows was unable to complete the format. So this is my pen drive. I'll try to format and see if it will work. So you right click on the pen drive and you click on format. Then you click on start. Then you click on OK. So this is the feedback. Windows was unable to complete the format. This is what we are come to solve for today. Please kindly subscribe to ESSBENMARK Tech channel if today is your first time of watching any of my video, so that anytime I will drop a video you get a notification. Let's get started. So you click on the set button and type run, or you use the shortcut key for run, that is Windows key plus R. Then you type dispatch in the pop-up menu and click on OK. So another pop-up will open. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then you click on yes. So it will bring you to a command prompt. Then you type less this. And you press on enter. So it will display all the disks in the computer. So the first one is my hard drive and the second one is the pen drive. So from here we select your drive, that is the disk one. So you type select disk one. And click on enter. So to give you a notification, this one is now the selected disk. Then you type clean and click on enter. So you wait for a feedback before you type the next step. So this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So from here you type create partition primary. And click on enter. So this part succeeded in creating the specified partition. So the next step is you type active and you click on enter. This part marks the current partition as active. So from here you select your disk again. So from here you type select partition 1. That is your drive, the disk one. And click on enter. So partition 1 is now the selected partition. So you type format FS is equal to FAT32, or you can also do it format FS is equal to NTFS. Both of them, all of them will work. Then you click on enter. So then you wait for the percentage to go up to 100%. So it will take a little bit of time depending on the size of your drive, and when it gets up to 100%, you can now access your drive. Please kindly like, share and comment. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to ESSBENMARK Tech channel, so that any day I upload a video you get a notification. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video.